Man, this is gonna be fun. Cannot wait. I can't wait. I got the new iPhone 12, man. I just got it. I'm excited to share with you guys what is in this box, man. I'm super stoked, man. Hold on, let me get this thing open here. Oh man, it's got... Apple, we got a problem. So man, I just unboxed the phone, and we're missing something. We're missing a couple things. Are you gonna be happy about this? Are you gonna be able to maybe spend less money for a phone, but a little bit more for stuff that's missing out of the box? No, it's not the iPhone 12. I wish it was. But what they're gonna be doing possibly is dropping the price of the phone a little bit and removing earphones, the USB cord, the power cube. You're gonna open up a new iPhone, just the phone in the box. Hopefully some instruction, you know, with the pamphlet and maybe some stickers. They might be taking those out too. Apple, come on, what's going on? Are we pushing wireless charger pad that you're gonna be doing? You know, launch the iPhone 12 and then, hey, by the way, we're not gonna give you any of this stuff in the box anymore. You gotta click on your cart and add this, add this, add this. You're looking at still $1,000 for your phone. Use what Apple gives you, or do you go and buy new things like a new wireless pad, charger, or new, you know, earbuds? You know, they want you to buy the AirPods. They want you to buy everything that Apple has so you don't have to go anywhere else. Which is fine, all their products are great, but it kind of makes you mad that nothing's gonna be in this box except the phone. So I just wanted to make a quick video of my little research I've been doing on the new iPhone coming out and see if you guys are excited too about it, or you guys gonna be angry when you open up this box. Things that usually came in an iPhone box is now gonna be changed. All right, when you open up your new iPhone 12 box, you're gonna get the phone and pull out the papers. Nothing's gonna be in here. What do you guys think? I'm okay with it. Some people aren't. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. We'll talk about it later. Thank you for watching TechDadHD, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.